was Chandrayaan-1. तो वहाँ रोड तो है नहीं मून पे जाने की, तो वी हैव टू पुट सन सेंसर्स. एक को सन पे लॉक किया, एक को सीरियस पे लॉक किया, एक को मून पे लॉक किया. ऐसे हमने चारों तरफ से लॉक करके सॉफ्टवेयर डाला, फिर वो अपने आप चलता है. Because if it doesn't go within 100 kilometer corridor, it will go out either in space or it will fall on moon. तो वो हमने डिज़ाइन किया. फिर ये 5 विदेशी आ गए थे और 5 हमारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे. तो हमने कहा इंटरफेरेंस नहीं होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर वो ऑन करे और हमारा कुछ इंटरफेरेंस हो जाए, कुछ वेवलेंथ वगैरह, कुछ पावर, कुछ सिग्नल, तो प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो आई कॉल्ड ए कॉन्फ्रेंस इन उदयपुर. और I called Kalam Saab because he was president and he was our senior here, so he came. So he inaugurated and then I presented him एक book. बहुत सारी books हैं. I have not brought here my professional books. You can see if you are interested. तो उन्होंने कहा, after then we were taking lunch. Then he said, Bhandari, you are going to the moon, but you are not going to the moon. वो ऐसे ही बोलते थे.
Touching the moon. आपकी वर्ड थी.
तो उनका मैंने कहा, I couldn't follow. What do you mean? You are going all the way orbiting, but you are not touching the moon. So he suggested this. This is called the moon impact probe. It will go and fall down there. So it is Kalam's contribution. It is called the impact probe. Then there is a antenna which will send signal here, and there is a solar panel which is not there now. This is the thing we got from US. This synthetic aperture radar. It can look inside the ground. We didn't have that. This was used in Ram Janmabhoomi to see inside के क्या है बिना खुदे. वो तो ये हमने डाला SAR, synthetic aperture radar. This is the one which found water on the moon. और ये दूसरा ये M-Cube जो है, Moon Mineral Mapper. 4 instruments found water on moon. So I put 4 instruments on this to look for water, because we didn't want to copy what Americans have done. We want to do something new. We don't want to rediscover the wheel. तो हमने कहा कि क्या करें, क्या नया क्या कर सकते हैं. भाई आप वैसे ही इंस्ट्रूमेंट लगा के जाके फोटो खींच के आ सकते हो, बट दैट वाज नॉट गुड एनफ. तो हमने कहा कि हम वाटर ढूंढेंगे, बट दे ऑल लाफ्ड एट अस, अमेरिकन्स. दे सेड वी हैव ब्रॉट सैंपल्स ऑफ मून. एक्चुअली आई आल्सो वर्कड ऑन देम. उसमें पानी नहीं है, ये नॉट इवन वाटर ऑफ हाइड्रोलाइजेशन. तो कहा कि पानी कैसे मिलेगा. मैंने कहा कि एक आर्ग्यूमेंट है कि कॉमेट आके पृथ्वी पे गिरते हैं. ऑल द वाटर इन द ओशन इज कम फ्रॉम कॉमेट्स. So they must be falling on the moon, but where is that water? So that must be on the poles, because they were only going on the equator. So we made this go around the poles. Every hour it will see North Pole, then South Pole, then South Pole. It is called Lunar Polar Orbiter. That is how we designed it. So polar orbiter है, pole को study करता है, and it found water there in form of ice. 4 instruments found it. So people were very unhappy in ISRO. क्या आप time waste कर रहे हैं, मतलब you should put something else. 1 is enough. मैंने कहा एक होगा और कोई नहीं चलेगा, या कोई कहेगा कि गलत सिग्नल आ गया, गर्म हो गया, ठंडा हो गया. वहाँ 200 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है मून पे, तो गर्म हो जाता है. तो सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट विल गिव यू फॉल्स थिंग्स. सो ऑल 4 डिटेक्टेड वाटर. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग इन 526 crores we sent this mission, and it made the biggest discovery of water. And water is important because it has hydrogen. You can make fuel. Actually you can fire a rocket with hydrogen, and there is oxygen. Man can live. So water is a great molecule. It can make man live, habitation, and it can also use for fuel. So now everybody is going to poles. So Chandrayaan 2, 3 went on poles, and Russian also sent there, and Americans and Chinese, everybody is going to South Pole because we discovered water there. But of course media doesn't. This is pre-media days, 2008, you know. So anyway, this discovery came. It is one of the most successful missions in the world.
Hearty congratulations.